I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb stories. Losing weight. Before we start, here are some tips. First, watch and listen to the story. During the story, try to guess the phrasal verb meanings from the context. Next, answer the quiz questions after the story. Then, watch and listen to the story again so you can understand how to use the verbs. After the second listen, there are explanations and examples. Finally, leave a comment below and practice. I'm your YouTube teacher. Weight loss. Jack was overweight and knew he had to cut out fatty foods from his diet. He started exercising regularly to work off the extra weight and improve his health. His friends and family always checked up on his progress and encouraged him. After weeks of hard work, Jack slimmed down and felt better. He learned to go without fatty foods and eat a balanced diet. Quiz time! Pause the video for each question. Jack knew he had to cut out fatty foods. What does cut out mean? Eliminate something? Add something? Cut with a knife? Cut with scissors? That's right, it's A. Eliminate something. He started exercising to work off the extra weight. What does work off mean? Gain weight? Lose weight? Go to work? Earn money? That's right, it's B. Lose weight. His friends and family checked up on his progress. What does check up on mean? Check his height? Look at him? Get an update? Check the time? That's right, it's C. Get an update. Jack slimmed down and felt better. What does slim down mean? Lose weight? Fit in small clothes? Stop eating junk food? Improve your diet? That's right, it's A. Lose weight. He learned to go without fatty foods. What does go without mean? Go somewhere? Leave something? Manage without something? Go out without something? That's right, it's C. Manage without something. Let's apply it. Watch the video again with the definitions. Repeat the story with me to help you memorize. After, you can see more examples and write your own sentences in the comments section. Let's go. Weight loss. Jack was overweight and knew he had to cut out fatty foods from his diet. He started exercising regularly to work off the extra weight and improve his health. His friends and family always checked up on his progress and encouraged him. After weeks of hard work, Jack slimmed down and felt better. He learned to go without fatty foods and eat a balanced diet. Examples: to improve her health, Sarah decided to cut out junk food from her diet. After a heavy meal, she works off the extra calories by jogging. It's important to check up on your loved ones from time to time. After following a rigorous exercise regimen, he slimmed down significantly. While saving for his dream car, he had to go without certain luxuries. Phrasal verb extras. Cut out and work off both mean eliminate. Cut out is in the context of choices in a diet. Work off is in the context of physical exercise. The opposite of cut out can be include or add in. Slim is not normally a verb. It's an adjective that means thin or skinny. Here, we created a verb from the adjective. We added down to show a decrease. Go without is often used in situations where you avoid something, usually out of necessity. How long can you go without your favorite things? Separation. We can separate some phrasal verbs. We have to memorize the verbs we can separate. This is a very difficult skill to learn, and there's no easy way except practice. It's best to repeat what you hear and hope to learn naturally. A great place to practice is the comment section. We can separate cut out, cut the sugar out, work off, work the calories off. We can't separate check up on, slim down, go without. Extra examples. He's thinking of cutting dairy out of his diet. She works the calories off by exercising 3 times a week. It's good to check up on your health with regular medical tests. Their goal is to slim down by summer so they can have beach bodies. It's difficult to go without coffee in the morning, but I'm trying. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.